Create HTC Screen Widget on iPhone. Begin create this widget. Find and install Widgets app. Take screenshot. Next, download Car in video description. Open Widgets. Create, then import. Import car code from photos. Select car code downloaded. Widget imported. Manage tab. Scroll down to large widget. Select large number 1 slot. Set position of widget. Set up transparency. Add screenshot image. Now exit to home screen. Add widget. Select Widgets. Choose large widget. Widen transparency. If you want, change wallpaper. Now widget, not transparency. Take new screenshot. Set up transparency again. Widget new wallpaper updated. Car photo and video description. Thanks for watching video.